Hi there. In this tutorial I'll be explaining briefly about the front end and just giving you a summary of the different parts of it. And then I'll go into more detail in other ShopMate tutorials explaining the individual areas of the back end and the front end. So to start with, I'll just be talking about the main navigation we have at the top here. As you can see at the top, we have Home, Special Offers, Login, Account, Basket and Checkout. The Home tab, by clicking on this, what it will do is it will just give you a link back to the home page. We're currently on the home page, so this won't actually do anything on this page. We also have the Special Offers tab. By clicking on Special Offers, it will give you a range of all the products that have special pricing specified in the back-end administration. I'll go into this in more detail in another ShopMate tutorial for the Special Offers. But as you can see, we have the normal price for the product and the special price for the product. The normal price is $145.13 and the special price is $75.38. We then have the Login tab of the menu. The Login tab here will prompt the customer to either sign up for a new account with you, or if they're a returning customer, they can enter their email address and their password, and that will log them into their own account area. I'll talk about this as well in another ShopMate tutorial. Then we have the account tab. This will also prompt the user, if they're not already logged in, to log in or sign up. But once you are logged in, it'll show you your account and a whole lot of other settings that you can do there. So I'll just give you a brief example of this. As you can see here, I'm signed in the demo account, and it gives you a whole lot of different things you can do here, including editing your account information, changing your password, modifying your address book entries and that sort of thing. But I'll be talking about this in more detail in another ShopMate tutorial. Then we have our basket. Now the basket will show everything that you have in your shopping cart at that time. As you can see at the moment, our shopping cart is empty. But if I was going to go to the home page and add a product to our shopping cart and then go back to the basket, you can see that we have the product in there with the unit price, the total, the model. I'll be talking about this in another ShopMate tutorial as well. Then we have the checkout. Once your customer's finished going through and purchasing the products that they want, they then just can click on checkout. They then sign in using their details that they have. And then it'll prompt them for the shipping method they'd like, comments about their order, shipping address, and a whole lot of other steps, which I'll be talking about in another ShopMate tutorial. We also have the search function, which is on the front end. You can type in keywords and it'll instantly bring up products that are meeting that criteria. For example, if I typed in product 7, it brings up product 7. Now I'd also search through the descriptions of the product as well. We also have brands. If you want to specify, if you want to sort the products from a certain brand, you can just choose down here and choose a brand, and it'll just modify the sorting of that. But I'll be talking about this in another ShopMate tutorial as well. We have the information box here. Now this shows you all the information pages that you have in your shop at the moment. The default ones are About Us, Privacy Policy, Terms and Conditions, Contact Us, and Sitemap. These can all be changed in the back end of your ShopMate, and I'll be explaining this a bit later on as well. We also have the currency, where you can actually change the currency and it'll update all the products to match the pricing of that currency. As you can see there, it's changed when I went to Australian dollar from New Zealand dollar. We also have the best sellers box here. Whenever a product is sold, it'll instantly show the best selling product in the best sellers box down the bottom here. So this is pretty much a brief overview of the front end of your ShopMate. I'll be going into more detail in other tutorials. Thank you for watching this tutorial.